Sake, let's get this done. I'm very embarrassed at this point. I'm not about to like escape Talisman out and change my party. But if I lose again, I'm going to. And the thing is, like, leveling up isn't really a good option at this point because everyone's at 60. And at 60, that's when your levels start to really go downhill. Like, your level ups are no longer all that useful. I'm just double checking that I have full magic because, you know, surely I saved it before, but who knows. All right, we all know the deal. He's going to cut his hand. This is the quote-unquote final test. Maybe that's his wrist. I don't know. Either way. He's certainly using this to get away. He's acting like a badass. Like, I can't believe you made it this far. I'm going to cut my wrist, and I'm going to piece the F out. Oh, look, it only has one head. That's not so bad. Ah, two heads. I like doing a bad Arnold impression. It's very fun. Kind of stole the bad Arnold impression from Pete Holmes. All right. I think last time I wasted my Forgiver rune. I don't remember what it's called. But either way, I read up on this, and it said to do what I think I kind of did late. I think Silent Lake would just kill me. I'll try Protect Mist. It can't hurt, but I think what really effed me up last time is Lo Wen had some wasted uses of her spell because she was confused. So I definitely want to take out the right leg. That's the one that revives. I don't need that nonsense. Hopefully this works a couple times. Stab, 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 and one more stab. I did my power rankings on most useful, and I think I put Genshu last, but I mean, that just did like, I think the least or second least damage to him, and he was the second to last one to go down in that fight, so. All right, this is just status ailment 1. It's not good, obviously. Hold on, is he like silenced? Because that's really bad. I might already start this over. Karen is knocked down, but also confused. Dude, that was like a worst case scenario just now. Cures target. I wish that cured silence. Yeah, I legitimately don't think I can. Let's just. It's probably gonna go fast, is the thing. So let's just go fast and hard into the sunset or whatever. It might not. I didn't restart it because the other thing is I was thinking, if Lo Wen gets hurt, she should no longer be confused, and then she can do Kindness Rain. Yeah, so she shouldn't be confused anymore. If she does Kindness Rain, I think that will cure Silence for Nick Cage. Oh, but she was knocked down again, so at least she's not confused, question mark. I don't know. Next time I might take out the left leg first thing. Because this left leg is obliterating me. Sure, why not? The only good part about him being silenced is this. Like, that's a lot of damage. It's almost 500 damage he did. Oh, and then that was a waste of time. So I know not to use Thunder Runner. It's really good that low end survives this, but if multiple people go down, I'll probably go ahead and restart. This might kill everyone except... Oh, killed nobody. Oh, Karen's confused. I was like, what are you doing, Karen? Alright, look at that. I might actually survive this. Maybe I was using Cure too much. Oh, I might not survive this because she's confused. The other thing, as I was thinking, I don't know if silence goes away on its own. I don't think it does. Yeah, cures poison. Whatever, let's just... I might not even post this video. Just... We'll see. I'd be embarrassed to be like, here's my 4th attempt. Alright, so from a doing damage standpoint, this is going really well. The only thing is that's going to kill almost everyone except Lowen and Nick Cage. Yep, called it. For whatever good that does. Yeah, okay. Let's just do this. Let's just load it. And we'll pretend that that attempt didn't happen. So I'll put in the comments, like, if you want to watch this without my goof up, skip to the 7-minute mark. I will put that in the comments, so unless I don't. Yeah, from a worst case scenario on my unit standpoint, that's what I got from those status ailments. If I take out the left leg, I risk the right leg being like, hey, you're back, I've got you. But is it worth that risk? I mean, all those attacks, like Nick Cage didn't heal once. And even with his multiple attacks as my strongest player, still didn't take out that leg. That's what's making me think like compounded devastation if I don't take the leg out. I wish in Lowen's confusion she did Kindness Rain. Wouldn't have minded that. I probably should have given Anita Mega Medicine. If I have it. I don't know that I do. Alright, maybe this will come in handy. That's all this does, is maybe it will come in handy. Because the thing is, like, I could have bad luck and it not happen once. So, there's always that possibility. But look at that. I don't think it works on the status ailment thing, is the big catch. I know I need to be mindful. All right. Mindful of my bigger heals being like Battle Oath and Kindness Rain. But I'm going to use a Battle Oath now because A, that was pretty devastating to everyone that was hit. And B, Battle Oath will hopefully enrage some of my stronger attackers. So let's go ahead and do that. Forgiver Sign would be great, except I really want that Enrage. Like, if Enrage only works on, like, Nick Cage, that'd be a bummer. Because Nick Cage is going to have to use a lot of time healing, so... Okay, pretty good. Actually, not great. If I could have completely flipped the other 3 getting it, I would have. Partially because Kasumi already went, and that's like a lost opportunity. Oh, my freaking MVP so far, because that's his 2nd crit. Alright, how devastated are we? Not bad. Ugh, what are we gonna do here? Alright, I think we'll be okay. Oh, no we won't. That's a lot stronger than I thought it would be. So, I don't think we're toast. Good lord. But it's not going well, obviously. Let's go ahead and do a full heal and try to take out that right leg. Might as well Falcon. See, this is exactly what I meant by I wish the exact opposite people got enraged. Because all three of them are attacking. Kasumi went down. And Nick Cage is healing. Pretty sweet looking rune. 766. It should be dead. Come on. I got 3. How? That was almost 2,000 damage from those two just now. And my boy Genshu has had 2 critical hits on it. That's all I'm saying. Oh, you couldn't give me a 3rd critical hit? I think she had a critical hit too. Okay, thank you. Alright. So it's really just a matter of surviving these attacks. I need to do Battle Oath, because everyone is down to a knee, you know, metaphorically. And I gotta take out that left leg, because, you know, all the status ailments. Alright, let's get angry, folks. I really wish Lo Wen was up, because then I could yell and then do the kindness thing. You guys like kindness, right? Alright, good job with the Berserk. The thing is, he's gonna do they're gonna do these attacks like several times. That appears to be their weakest one. Okay. Alright. I can't afford to keep doing Battle Oath, but now I should be able to do... Oh, maybe not. Come on. Alright. I am gonna have to do Battle Oath, though. What do you mean you're going again? Oh, alright. That was some other effect. Not without my effects. Yeah, this is my last Battle Oath. After that, I'm gonna have to keep doing Great Blessings for as long as I can. Those things have those legs have way too much health. I don't know if you guys can hear the stuff in the front yard, but they're doing work in my front yard. Some kind of city work. Those big city folks. Georgetown, Texas. I feel like I'm like a third of the way from killing that leg. You know, losing Lo Wen, just devastating. 186. You're Berserk. What do you mean 186? Did I miss something and he's doing like the... You know, the left leg isn't even doing the status ailment stuff. Is this video game smarter than me? Is that what I'm learning? Bye, Karen. Ugh. Yeah, jeez. Almost bye, everybody. I don't know why I'm bothering here. Like this, unless they... I kind of need the status ailments at this point because that's not doing the devastating damage. Like, it can devastate me in a crippling way, but it doesn't matter if this is going to do, you know, 200 damage to everyone, which is going to cancel out my Great Blessing. Oh, there's the Go ahead and silence Nick Cage. Whatever. Unbalanced. Yeah, that'll end it. All right. Okay. Let's stop here, and next time I'm taking out the right leg, and then I'm taking out the rune, and then I'm taking out the left leg, because the rune I think is doing the most damage. It also has the least health. So yeah, let's stop here, and then I'll start fresh. And I don't know. If I fail again, I'm just changing my party.